Ever wonder why an owl's face looks like a satellite dish? Owls are masters of the night. Their facial discs work like sound radars, funneling noise straight to their ears, perfect for hunting in total darkness. Their eyes don't move, but their heads can rotate up to 270 degrees. That's how they keep an eye on everything around them. They cough up little pellets of fur and bones from their prey, nature's own evidence of their diet. And though their night vision is powerful, owls are mostly colorblind. But their real superpower? Silent flight. Their feathers are built to muffle every flap, letting them swoop in without a sound.